Welcome back. My name's Nick, and this is I'm Easy Growing, where I used to grow weed, but now I grow plants for food. And that's what I'm going to be doing. I think from now on this channel is I'm going to be doing garden videos and cooking videos and all that type of stuff. And today, what I'm about to do is I'm about to mark out these little hole marks that I got to dig out so I can put this bed in. And this is going to be a strawberry bed. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark where those are. There we go. Now I need to move this. So let's do that. There we go. Perfect. Let's go grab a shovel and be right back. Let's get these holes dug out. Now that we got those dug out, let's get this bed set in those holes and we'll fill it back in. Just want to make sure that it's kind of centered. It looks good on either side. Yeah, I like that. Looks good. Looks great. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab the wheelbarrow. We're going to move the camera, get set up, and start taking down the old bed over there and then moving the dirt. But that's going to be a big project. So let's go start that. What we're going to do first here is we're going to get rid of all this horseweed. And it's easy to pull. Good. All right. I'm going to finish this up and then bring you guys back, you know, kind of cut it here. That's what we're going to do, you know, because there's no sense of you watching me do this the whole time. All right. Halfway done. Going to take care of that. Going to dump this out and keep going. Start pulling these out. Oh, this side's a lot harder. We're going to do it. BRB, watch this. Ready? That was a lot quicker and easier. Now we got that. We're going to dump this. So then that way I can start digging this out. And yeah, we're making good time. You can just start pulling these apart. Where's my shovel? Gotta grab my shovel. I'll be right back. Maybe we just throw them in the... Oh! Potato in the choice. Right? I'll be right back. In all honesty, what we're gonna do, since there's a bunch of potatoes in here, I'm gonna dig this one out first, dump it in there, sift it all out. That way it's all spread out. It'll be easier for me to spot them and pick them up. I'm gonna pick up all those potatoes as best as possible. That way we don't have potatoes in that bed. Because I can't be digging up the strawberries each year because they're intended to stay there. Pick line of value. Back. All right. Go dump that. Wheelbarrow number 2. Wheelbarrow number 3. I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna pause here. I'm gonna finish up, and then we'll bring it back there for the ending. Okay? Sound good? Sound good. So I decided to scratch the idea of sifting out the potatoes because I'm lazy, and that's a lot of work, and I'm already freaking hot and tired. But I'm gonna continue digging it out, wheelbarrow by wheelbarrow. That's number 5. 6. That's 8. Is it 6? 7? Or 8? I lost count, to be honest. I want to say that's 8. Oh, that was 5, 6. No, that was 7. That was 7. Now this makes 8. And that's going to be it for the 1/2. So that was only half of that old garden bed. And it's going to be pretty close to filling this most of the way, which is great. Less work for me to do. And again, I'm being super lazy about the potatoes. We're leaving them in there. And if they grow, they grow. I'm not going to worry too much about it. I think 1 or 2 more wheelbarrows and this puppy is full. So we're going to start on the other bed, get that dug out, fill this, and then throw the rest in some of the other beds that we got to fill up. Okay? Sounds good. This is going to be wheelbarrow number 10. No. I don't know at this point. I think it's 9 or 10. That's what we're going to settle with. That's going to be great. All right, let's do that. One more. Next step is we're going to grab a little bit more dirt to fill in on the outsides. Then we're going to grab our strawberry, plant the strawberry right in the middle. So that way it can grow out, because it's like ground cover. It literally just spreads. And then we'll water that area. There's no need to water this whole bed when I only have 1 strawberry plant. So that's what we'll do. I'll pour a little bit of dirt on each corner. There we go. Now I'm going to fill or pack these down in a little bit. Now I'm going to go grab the strawberry plant. I'm going to go grab the strawberry plant and I'll be right back. Strawberry plant, meet everybody on YouTube. Everybody on YouTube, meet the strawberry plant. Now, like I said, this was planted in a pot like 2 years ago, and I didn't do hardly anything to keep it alive. So it looks kind of rough, but it's still alive. So now we're going to actually plant it and actually do something with it. Like I said, I want to plant it right in the center. I don't know why I got the shovel. I don't need that. This is all soft. We actually have 2 strawberry plants. We're just going to plant them right like that together. Make sure that we've got those parts that are sprawling out that go on the ground. Make sure they're above the soil, so then that way this is ready to go. See, this right here, this will root itself and become another strawberry plant. So just like that, kind of pack that down a little bit. There we go. Now we just gotta water that and we're done. So let's go get some water. I feel this water, because I don't want to water it with hot water. That's no good for the plants. We want cold water. Yep, nice and hot. Nice and hot and hot. Cold. Hot. Cold. That's because this was coiled up. So part of it's hot, part of it's cold. Because some of it was shaded, some of it wasn't. That's pretty good. Now, we're just going to saturate this real good. There's going to be a wrap on the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It's been a long time since I've done one of these. And like I said, I'm going to switch up what I'm doing here on I'm Easy Growing, because my life has changed a lot. So now I garden like crazy and I eat really healthy, and I want to share that with you. So we're going to go ahead and start making videos like that. I hope you stick around. Everyone new, welcome in. And you have a great day. Much love. Peace.